two skincare packages on our website, the basic skincare package and the next level skincare package. We had a lot of questions wondering which products you should be using for your face. We have two cleansers, the foaming cleanser or the oil-based clean slate cleanser. You can use them together as part of a two-part cleanse or each on their own. The foaming cleanser is better for oily skin, acne-prone skin, as it's gonna dry out the skin a little bit before you put on your creams. Whereas the clean slate works as a makeup remover. It's also super hydrating for all skin types and super dry skin. I personally prefer clean slate on its own. So you're gonna take the clean slate, put a few pumps into your hand. I usually do about 4 pumps. Rub it between your hands, and you're always gonna apply clean slate to dry skin. So still with your makeup on, you're gonna apply it to dry skin and just melt away that makeup and any other toxins that have come on your face during the day. When you get to your eye makeup, use your ring fingers. They're the weakest finger, so we're not tugging at that skin. And gently remove your eye makeup. You're gonna rub down and then rub away, making sure you get all that makeup off, rubbing it off, nice gentle face massage. Then you're gonna add a little bit of water and emulsify it. So just a little splash of water to emulsify that, to lift more of the dirt off. From there, you're gonna rinse your skin off. Always use warm water, never super hot or super cold water, just a tepid, warm water. Rinse it off, get all that cleanser off. From here, if you wanted to do a double cleanse, you would use the foaming cleanser on top, but most people find using clean slate on its own or the foaming cleanser on its own is great. Next up is your toner. Settle Down's our most popular toner. It's got lavender in it, which is super soothing. It's great for acne-prone skin. It's good for mature skin. So giving your skin a really good mist, like super damp. So not dripping wet, but just nice and damp. So this is gonna be the base for our serums. Having a damp skin is gonna help the serum absorb, and it's gonna mean you use less product, and all of that product's gonna get absorbed by your skin using the water as a carrier. So only about a dime size amount, that's all you need. Your skin is damp. Rub your hands together for an even application and then press it into your skin. So you're pressing the serum in, pressing all that moisture from your toner in. This is what's gonna give your skin that glow, applying your serum to damp skin. Now if you're using Eyes Up serum, you would use this next. So after your Lighten Up or your Sweet serum. For more information on which serum to choose, you would go to our serum tutorial. Okay, that single drop of Eyes Up. Eyes Up is more of a dry oil, so it's not gonna leave your skin oily. Okay, and just patting all around your eyes. And then next up is where you would use Go Getter or Drenched. Drenched is great, especially the lavender citrus drenched is great for acne-prone skin. It's a little lighter. Go Getter is great for all skin types. So this is good for mature skin, dry skin, combination skin. Everybody loves Go Getter. Using that half pea size amount, skin still damp, melt it between your fingers and then apply to your entire face. From here, you can leave it to absorb. Give it a few minutes before you apply makeup, or you can use your rose quartz facial roller or gua sha, which for information on that, you're gonna check out that tutorial. That's our skincare tutorial. For more information on each individual product, check out all our other tutorials.